Good morning. This is July 31st. This is day number 9 of my small account challenge. It's another green day. Today was a very busy day. We had a lot of things popping up and down, but we went ahead and we stuck to our strategy. We stuck to the true Telos trading grading scale and only traded A quality stocks, and we came out on top today. Let's go ahead and get into the trade of the day. All right, today's stock, the ticker on it was VRME. Today is July 31st, 2025. Let's go ahead and put that at the bottom there. Now, this stock did not have fresh news. It had news that was less than 24 hours old, so we're going to go ahead and give it a score of 1. The stock's float was below 10 million shares. So this would be a 2 here. The stock was below, it was just above the 200 MA. It was just above it. The 200 MA was 99 cents and the stock was at $1.02. So it was just above it. It was up about 70 to 80% by the time I was looking at it in the morning. So this will be a 1. The stock was under $10. As a matter of fact, like I said, it was close to that $1.02. So this will be a 1 here. And it was the number 1 stock in the market this morning when I traded it. So we will give it a 1 here. If we add all of these together, that gives it a score of 8. And this makes it, according to our True Telos trading grading scale, this will give it a grade of A. So we have been consistently sticking to our A quality stocks according to our True Telos trading grading scale. So let's go ahead and get into that trade. All right, so this is the stock that we traded this morning. We're looking at the 1-minute chart for VRME. Let's see where I got into this trade. Give me 1 second. I got into this trade at 6:02 a.m. Let's see where we were, 6:02. So I got into it when it started popping up here. This morning when I was looking at it, when I put it into my True Telos trading grading scale, if I can go back, it had already made a pretty big move, and I marked off that high of day up here at $1.29. So this is what that move right here is what made this stock the number 1 stock of the day. Let's see, it came all the way up from 70 cents all the way up to $1.29. It's not quite 100% move, but it's pretty close. It was up about 60% or more on the day when I was looking at it. But I did not trade it in that area. That was way earlier this morning, probably about 3 o'clock. I woke up about 5:30 and I came over and I started looking at these stocks this morning, and I saw that this one matched the criteria to be in A quality stock. So I was waiting for a little bit more action before I got into the trade. So like I said, it was 6:02 a.m. when I hopped into this trade. So I saw it popping up here off a pretty decent volume. I entered my trade on this candle at $1.17 as it was popping up. So I got into it kind of high up here, and I was hoping for it to meet this high of day, that high of day here at 129. I was hoping for it to get up here, and I marked off up here the next resistance point on the daily chart, which was $1.47. So how I did this, the market's been pretty volatile lately. Things have been popping up and down pretty fast. So I was a bit nervous when while taking this trade. I could have held it for a bit longer, but I chose not to. I chose to take profit and exit the position after I saw that it wasn't quite getting up to this level. I didn't trade it during this candle. This trade was like less than a minute. So I saw it popping up at this 117, and then as soon as it hit this 120, and I saw that bit of resistance on this candle. The high of this candle was 121, As soon as I saw that resistance, I went ahead and exited the position. I was able to buy, since this stock was pretty cheap, I was able to buy 981 shares of it at that $1.17, and I exited at $1.20. So it's about 3 cents of profit on those 981 shares. And that gives me a total of $29.23 on the day. It's a small green day, but it's a green day nonetheless. And these A quality stocks that I'm looking to trade. I'm not looking for a big piece of the pie. I only want a slice of the pie. So let's continue trading like this, using our True Telos trading rating scale to see those A quality stocks. Let's continue to be consistent in the things that we do, and that is True Telos trading. So again, this is day 9, another successful day. Like I said, small green day, but a successful day nonetheless. We've been consistent with our A quality trades. We've been consistent with sticking to that True Telos trading grading scale, and we want to continue to do that on this account, just to show that we can build a small account while still working a regular 9 to 5. If you guys have any questions for me, please don't be afraid to ask. As always, I'm an open book. I have a lot of questions out there because, we're just beginning this journey. We want to keep it going. We want to stay consistent. So if you enjoy everything, please let me know. Like and subscribe if you would like. And welcome to True Telos Trading. Thank you for joining me on the journey. I can't wait to see you next time.